drop right away onto Mylta Power. Try to land right on top of that biggest building there. Work our way down and out, win the fights. Alright, at this point I think I'm a little too preoccupied looking for other people to shoot, seeing where they're landing, and I don't realize I'm about to land on the crane. A little surprised. Looking around, trying to assess the situation. Is there anything I could jump down on between me and... Nope, I'm stuck up here. Okay, well, I can at least call out positions. There's someone on the western stair. They're going down. Yep, okay. Here, looking for people. Okay. Anybody over here? Oh, okay. The person's on the roof now. Western side. They're looking for the source of those gunshots. Okay, and that goes on for a little bit, but unfortunately my partner doesn't make it. Sorry about that. So, I have a new endeavor, which is to try to jump and land on one of the players that are still in the building. The circle's all the way on the other side of the island. They're going to have to be leaving soon if they want to make it. So I'm just waiting patiently, looking, hoping. I see somebody. This is it. Incredible. I will never make a shot like that again in my life. Let's take a look from our friend's perspective here. We'll back it up a little bit. There they are, getting ready to go. Looking for any threats, scanning the area. Now they don't see my body hit the ground, and ever so briefly you can see my shadow here, but they absolutely hear it when it lands not 3 feet from them. Not sure what to make of this. Looks around. Is there anybody else? No. Looks to the skies. No answers there.